Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. So I had a comment on one of my videos a few months ago that said, I hate when I go to someone's channel for the first time and they say, welcome back to my channel. And I got to thinking, I say that every single time I film a video, and I probably have a lot of people who are newer viewers because my channel is pretty small. So if you're new here, welcome. I'm really excited for today's video for two reasons. One, I got brand new lighting, so let's hope it looks good because it is so bright I can't even see my viewfinder. Like, I'm looking at myself right now and it looks fine, but I just hope that it looks fine once I start editing and upload and all of that. So if it looks bad, I'm probably not going to upload this video, but let's just hope that it looks fine. Another thing, I'm really excited because this is my first ever video in my new beauty room. It is not at all set up. There is literally paint supplies everywhere. We have a ladder in here. We have so many things in here, so it's not at all set up, but I'm officially in my beauty room. I have my vision board right behind me. I was debating on taking it off, but you can't really see much besides Arizona here, which is a place I want to go to. So for today's video, I am going to show you guys some Amazon luxury jewelry dupes. So I have dupes for Gucci, Dior, Adidas, what are the other places? I don't remember. I don't remember, but I have dupes for a lot of luxury jewelry brands and jewelry items. So I'm really excited to get into this video. Every single thing in this video besides one thing is under $25. So yeah, if you guys want to see my luxury jewelry dupes, then please keep watching. I know I mentioned that these items are from Amazon, but I have one more company that I have two items from that I'm going to show you guys. So this is owned by one of my favorite YouTubers. I copy so much of her fashion. She is such an influence to me. Her name is Tony Sevdalis. She's from Canada. Her and her sister own an online jewelry boutique called CNC Luxury, and they have the best dupe ever for the Christian Dior, what are they called? Friendship bracelets. So I'll put the Dior bracelet on the screen. I also want to mention that I have none of the jewelry items that are on the luxury side for this video. Every single thing I found online, and I will put a screenshot of it up on the screen. But yeah, so I'm going to start off with the Dior friendship bracelet dupe. So this is what the bracelet looks like. I'll do a close-up for you guys so you can get a better look. But the bracelet says J'adore. I have the bracelet in the, I think it's called the light pink color. I don't remember which color this is, or like the rosy pink. I don't remember, but they have a lot of colors on there, and they even have colors that are super similar to the colors that Dior has. So these bracelets run for $40. This is the one that I was telling you guys about. That is the only item only item more than $25 that I have. So it's $40. I thought it was pretty expensive for a bracelet, which it is, but it is such amazing quality. I have worn this all summer long. I wore this to the lake. I wore it into the ocean. It doesn't smell. It hasn't like ripped up at all. There's no loose threads or anything. It is such an amazing quality. So I actually thought that J'adore meant friendship because I knew that this was a dupe for the friendship bracelet, but it actually means I love. And I just found that out last night when I was doing research for this video. But yeah, so it has the, like, just the regular bracelet, and then the way you tighten it is by pulling these little threads. And what I like about that is it makes it so universal to fit almost any wrist. So you can tighten it as much as you want. You can leave it as loose as you want. So I love that. Like I said, this bracelet is $40, and the Dior dupe runs for $420. And I don't own that bracelet. I don't know, the quality is probably amazing, but I think the quality of this bracelet is amazing too. So if you've been wanting the Dior friendship bracelet, this is literally just as beautiful and way cheaper. So my final item from CNC is this chain link necklace. I believe this one was $22 or $24, somewhere around there. It's such good quality. I've worn this a lot. You guys have probably seen this a lot on my Instagram. I've also worn it in videos as well. The luxury version of this necklace is from Adina's Jewels. It is $498, I believe, so super, super expensive. And this necklace is great to throw on with literally any outfit. I love wearing this with just a plain white t-shirt if I'm just running errands and I just don't want to put myself together at all. I will literally throw this necklace on and I will still feel cute and feel sort of put together. So I love wearing this necklace. I think I wore it to Christmas too, so you can wear it so many different ways. You can also layer this really nicely with other dainty necklaces as well. So I just love it. It stands out, but it's not like too bold to where you can't wear it casually, so I love it. So moving on to Amazon, I'm going to show you guys earrings first. I only have one pair of earrings to show you, but I have been obsessed with these. These earrings are so beautiful. They are these lion earrings with a little chain hoop. These run on Amazon for $14.99 and they are a dupe for the Gucci earrings, which literally look just like this. I believe they're a little bigger, and then they also have the Gucci symbol on the inside. I just recently got these and I had my family over for dinner last week and I wore them that night literally with like a black tracksuit, and I thought they looked so cute. You guys know whenever you wear like a tracksuit and then you add some jewelry and you just like feel like you look so bomb. That's how I felt having these earrings on. I had like no other jewelry on besides these earrings and I just thought they looked so good. I posted an Instagram picture that I'll put up on the screen in the tracksuit and the earrings, and I just loved the way they looked with just a casual outfit. They literally put any outfit together. They make any outfit look super cute. So yeah, they're my earrings. So moving on to necklaces, I have one necklace from Amazon. This is a Locket necklace. I believe this was only like $10, and I found two dupes for this. So I remember seeing Lockets so much on Adina's, I believe summer 2020. I don't remember fully the time of year, but I want to say it was summertime. They had so many things on the website that were Lockets. Anything from earrings to necklaces, bracelets, anklets, like literally they had a whole like Locket collection, and they still do. I never purchased anything on there. I don't know why, or actually I have made a lot of purchases on Adina's, but I've never made a Locket purchase for like anything that they've had. I just kind of felt like they were a little overpriced for it just being like a plain necklace. Like, they had some that had like some diamonds and rhinestones on them, but I don't know, I just didn't really love them. And Adina's has been like one of my favorite jewelry sites ever. If you guys watched my jewelry collection, I believe I posted it last summer or last spring. Like almost everything I have is from Adina's. I love them so much. They can be pretty pricey. Like they have things that go up into the thousands, but then they also have things that are less than $100. And for some reason, I just never was in love with the Locket trend, and the reason I really didn't want to get anything on there was because I felt like it wasn't really worth my money. I didn't want to spend like $80+ on something with just a locket on it, if that makes sense. Like I have spent like $150 on one necklace on Adina's, but it's because it's like sparkly and that's what I want. Like if it's going to be that much money, I want it to be sparkly. I want it to be like out there. I don't just want it to be like a little dainty necklace, if that makes sense. That was a little bit of a rant. So on Adina's, the dupe for this necklace ran for $88, which like I said is not that much money, but when it comes to just being something so plain and something that I can just grab on Amazon, I would much rather spend $10 on it. So I remembered last summer the Louis Vuitton Locket necklace being so popular, and I feel like they're the ones who started the Locket necklace trend, and then so many of these other companies came out with more affordable versions of it. So the one that I found on the Louis Vuitton website, they were out of the gold. They only had it in silver, and it has the little LV symbol in the middle, which this one has nothing. And I believe that was $730, so a little ish-mashy. I don't know if this will actually go good with this necklace that I have on right now. I think that it will. I think that's kind of cute together. Yeah, I'll just leave it on. I'm gonna have so much jewelry on at the end of this video. I'm really hoping my camera angle didn't change too much. My camera just shut off, so I had to kind of start over a little bit. How's that? I think that looks fine. Let's fix this hair up a little bit. So anyways, I'll just start over on what I was saying. I was talking about rings, and I have a dupe for the Cartier Love Ring engagement ring. So there is a difference in the Love Ring and the one that I'm going to show you guys. So when it comes to this being a dupe for the engagement band. It is literally to a T the exact same. The only difference is this dupe doesn't have the signature on the inside like the original one does. The difference between the band and the actual love ring is the ring, first of all, doesn't have the little diamonds in it. It has like that love symbol with like the slash on the inside. And then the other difference is the engagement band is thinner and the ring has more of like a thicker band. It's more wide. So that's what the difference between the two is. I was trying so hard, you guys. Like, I'm so good at shopping, especially when it comes to shopping on Amazon. I'm so good at just navigating things. I will look forever until I find the exact thing that I'm looking for. And I literally could not find this ring anywhere. And I remember when I was like 15, I went on Amazon or eBay, I don't remember which one it was, and I found the dupe for the love ring, like the original love ring, and the bracelet. And I don't know what it is, they just don't make them anymore. I think that Cartier was like, you guys need to knock this off. So I don't think that they make those anymore, but if you guys have a dupe for like the original Cartier love ring or bracelet, please link them down below or let me know what website has them. So the next ring I have is this super dainty, super thin band from Amazon. Obviously, I hate that I'm saying from Amazon because you guys know these items are from Amazon, but this one was only $14. And the luxury version of this ring I found is from Nordstrom. They run for, I believe, $395 to $425. So I don't know like what you have to pick out for it to be like what price, but yeah, I thought this was literally an exact dupe. When you guys see the picture compared to this ring, like they look the exact same. And then my last ring I have is so sparkly. This is one of my favorite rings ever. So this one is $13, I believe. It is literally so sparkly. Like, I'm holding it back here and you guys can see it just like sparkles. I love it so much. So I actually want to give a shout out to this brand Pavoli. It's on Amazon. That's literally like over half of these items are from that brand. Or I don't think it's Pavoli, it's like Pavoy or something. But I'll link all of these pieces down below, and then I'll also leave a direct link to their shop on Amazon so you can look around. They have amazing items on there and they're all super affordable and they are super good dupes for all of these luxury items. So the luxury version of this ring is from the brand Blue Nile, and I've seen like Kylie Jenner and all these celebrities wear rings like this, and I have no idea where they're from. So I did some research, I looked up Kylie Jenner and looked up some rings, and then I came to this ring from Blue Nile. Well, not this ring, the dupe ring from Blue Nile. I believe it is almost $10,000. I don't fully remember, but they are almost an exact dupe. The thing that was hard for me to find was how like this has a circle in it and then it has like the little dots on the outside, but the ring on the website, I don't think that it has these little dots. It's just like fully connected, if that makes sense. You guys will see it closer in the two pictures that I show you, but yeah, I love this ring. I wear it on my middle finger. So I have two more Cartier dupes. These are both bracelets. This one is a dupe for the love bracelet with the rhinestones in it. So it comes like this. When I first took this out of the packaging and I saw that it came like this, I literally was like, this is broken. But the way you do it is it comes with this little screwdriver looking thing, and also the real Cartier bracelet comes like this as well, and it also splits apart like this as well. So this is literally like the way you do it for the legit bracelet is the way you do it for the dupe. So they come split apart and then you just like screw it on, and once you have this on, you literally cannot take it off unless you use this screwdriver, so do not lose it. I wear this all the time. If you guys were to get anything out of this entire video, I would get this. I literally wear it every single day. I never ever ever take it off. The reason I have it off right now is because I wanted to show you guys what it looks like when it's split apart, but I literally never take it off. I shower in it, I sleep in it, I work out in it. I always have it on. So the only time that I ever take this bracelet off is when I'm doing my self tanner, and that's just because it's kind of a tighter bracelet, so I want to be able to get around it and make sure my self tanner applies evenly. So that is the only time since I've had this bracelet that I have taken it off. I love it. Like I said, I highly recommend you guys getting this. I could not find, just like with the ring, I couldn't find the version of this bracelet that is not the rhinestones and it's just like the original love symbol, but I think this one's close enough, and this bracelet runs for even more. I have a freaking hair on my face that I can see but I can't get. I think it went away. Anyways, these bracelets on the Cartier website are way more expensive than like the original Cartier symbol bracelet. I don't know why, I just like don't know what I was saying for a second. So now moving on to my last Cartier dupe. This is a dupe for the Cartier nail bracelet. So they have a couple different versions of this bracelet on the Cartier website, and on Amazon I could not find the like dupe that I was trying to compare with the luxury item. So the one I originally wanted looks like this, and I just could not find that on Amazon at all. And like I mentioned earlier, when I was like 15 years old, I found all of these items on Amazon or eBay, and now I just cannot find them again. So I couldn't find this version of the nail bracelet, but I found this version of the nail bracelet, and this is pretty similar. So I believe, I'm not looking at the picture right now, but I believe the actual version has the diamonds going all the way around. I don't fully remember, but this one just has it going around the top. And I just love this bracelet so much. So the one on the website, they only come with rose gold, and this one that I got from Amazon is in gold. So this one also has like a really secure clasp, nothing like the last bracelet, but this clasp on here will definitely make your bracelet stay on. And this was super affordable as well. I don't remember the price of this, but I love it. I wear this all the time as well. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are not already. It is literally on my vision board to reach 1,000 subscribers. Like, I know that I will reach this very soon. I'm getting super close. So if you like my videos, if you like me, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I will also leave my Instagram down below as well. I have been super active on Instagram recently, and I'm just trying really hard to grow my social media. So if you do not follow me, if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do so and help me out. If you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up. I have another Amazon video coming out next, and it's going to be a luxury purse video. I'm super excited to film that. I have been collecting a crazy amount of purses. Like, I've never had this many purses, but they are all dupes for luxury items, and I get so many questions asking if they're real. So yeah, I'm filming that video next. It will be up very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. I hope you all had a wonderful new year. I know it's almost February, but I hope you had a wonderful new year, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.